Around the world, food bans reveal fascinating clashes between culture, health, and law. What's delicious in one country may be forbidden in another, often for reasons ranging from public safety to cultural sensitivities. Hey, race a deep dive into 10 striking examples, woven into one long, engaging narrative. Food is more than sustenance. It's identity, tradition, and sometimes controversy. Take samosas in Somalia, banned not for health but because extremist groups once associated their triangular shape with a religious symbol they opposed, turning a beloved snack into a political statement. In Singapore, chewing gum is outlawed to keep public spaces pristine, as sticky gum once wreaked havoc on trains and sidewalks. Moving to Japan, many American breakfast staples like Frosted Flakes, Rice Krispies, and Mountain Dew are banned due to additives and food dyes considered unsafe under Japanese health standards, showing how one country's morning ritual is another's toxic risk. Similarly, Cyprus and Canada prohibit products like Doritos Light and Ritz crackers because of ingredients such as potassium bromate, linked to cancer risks, underscoring how food safety laws diverge sharply across borders. In China and Russia, pork containing ractopamine, a feed additive used to promote leanness, is banned, reflecting stricter stances on chemical enhancers compared to the US, where it's still common. Meanwhile, Peru forbids bread made with potassium bromate, again citing carcinogenic concerns, proving that even something as humble as bread can spark regulatory battles. In Iceland, Betty Crocker fudge mix is banned due to artificial colors and additives, a reminder that even desserts aren't immune to scrutiny. Across the Atlantic, the United States bans Scotland's iconic haggis, not because of taste but because sheep lungs, an essential ingredient, are considered unsafe to consume, leaving Scottish expats longing for their national dish. And finally, in Brazil, the humble Ritz cracker is banned due to additives not approved under Brazilian law, showing how even the simplest snack can fall afoul of regulations. What makes these bans so captivating is the mix of reasons: health risks, carcinogens, additives, dyes, cultural sensitivities, shapes, traditions, and environmental concerns, gum litter. Together, they highlight how food is never just food. It's politics, science, and identity on a plate. Imagine traveling and realizing your favorite cereal, candy, or bread is suddenly off-limits. It's a reminder of how global diversity shapes what we eat and what we avoid. These bans also spark debates. Are they protecting citizens or overreaching into personal choice? The answer depends on perspective, but one thing is clear: food laws are as diverse as the cuisines they govern. If you found this exploration of forbidden flavors intriguing and want more captivating insights into global food culture, don't forget to subscribe for more stories that blend taste, travel, and tradition.